morning, ninth grade. Today's lesson is lesson 5, acid and bases. We're going to start by doing page 378. Okay, we're going to start with connected. Circle the part that bugs you to think is most acidic. Write a sentence to justify your answer. Okay. Also, you need to hypothesize, compare, contrast. And here, the part that is more acidic is this area here. Also, in this page, it asks you to underline and also literacy connection. Underline this part. Then, you also have figure 2, testing for gold. Okay, they're testing to gold. Gold does not react with acid or other metals are present in lower purely gold. They can cause the reaction. Also in this page, sour taste. The text above says that many acids taste sour, but it also tastes that oranges and tomatoes contain suggests at least one reason why these fruits don't taste sour. Okay, here's a reason. They're naturally sugary, so they are not really acid or sour. Also, oysters and acids. Okay, they're talking about the top. The acids reacts is with the carbonate ions in the shells, dissolving them and causing them to grow slowly. Next page. Properties of bases. You read what is a base, the bitter taste, slippery feel, and then go to reading check. How are acids and bases similar? Why they say to have opposite properties? Okay, so here's the answer. As well, we have planet, acid or base. We have the glass cleaner, the shampoo, the vinegar, juice of orange juice. Okay, solutions can be tested with litmus paper. The acids will turn blue, litmus paper red. Bases will turn red piece blue. Predicted acids are the orange and vinegar, and predicted bases are the shampoo and glass cleaner. Here, next page. Neutralization of acid and bases. Common salts. Okay, so here in the chart, figure 5, we were missing the name of the sodium chloride. It's NaCl. For lithium bromide is LiVr. Make sure that you do the letters correctly, lowercase and capital letters. Calcium chloride, CaCl2. As well, reading check summarize where the results of the neutralization reaction not always neutral. The volumes, concentration, strength of the reactants determine naturally of the result. Academic vocabulary, both processes involve changing strength of property by mixing various amounts of concentrations of things with opposite properties. Next page is the lesson 5 check to finish up the lesson. Okay, we need to decide which are acid, base, and salt. Okay, here is the base, here is the salt, here is an acid. It says, why is vinegar stored in a plastic glass container rather than a metal one? Vinegar is acidic and it will react with metal in that container. So it's not a good idea. Don't ever try it. 3. What are the products of neutralization reaction between hydraulic acids and magnesium hydroxide? Okay, and that will be water, H2O, and magnesium chloride, which is MgCl2. Okay, explain phenomena. Many stones buildings are made of limestone, which is primarily calcium carbonate. What happens to such buildings over time exposed to acid rains? The acid reacts to carbonate and buildings are damaged. Okay, design your solution. You're given a known solution as to determine whether it is an acid or base. What properties of acid and bases could you use to classify the solution? What properties will you not use to make determination? I could use its reaction with carbonates or metals, or its effect on indicators. I will taste or not touch the solution. Okay, quest and check in. Acids and bases interact with each substances predictable ways. How do you think you can use the properties of acids and bases to help you identify unknown substances? Am I able to identify one of the known substances based on how it interacts with acids or base? Okay, so this is all for today. I will wait for you tomorrow on Zoom at 9 a.m. on the waiting room, and we will start at 9:15. Thank you so much, ninth grade.